Hello, my name is Sergio Tapia, and I have the privilege of serving as the presiding judge of the Superior Court of Los Angeles County. I am honored to join you in reflecting on the enduring importance of an independent judiciary and the essential role each of you plays in upholding the rule of law. I extend my sincere thanks to the Los Angeles County Bar Association and to its president, Jeffrey Margulies, for their continued partnership and for convening this meaningful occasion. Your leadership strengthens not only our profession, but the communities we serve. National Law Day calls us back to first principles. It reminds us why we entered this profession and whom we serve. As you renew your attorney's oath, I hope it is not simply a formality, but a reaffirmation that justice must be pursued with integrity, delivered with fairness, and grounded in dignity for every person who comes before our system. We often speak of the rule of law as a grand constitutional ideal, but its true power lies in its daily expression. It lives in the quiet consistency of fair procedures, in the discipline of applying the same law to every case, and in the simple but profound truth that no one, no individual, no institution, not even the court itself, stands above it. The rule of law is not abstract, it is experienced. It is experienced by the litigant who is heard with respect, regardless of background or circumstance. It is experienced when courtrooms operate with clarity and transparency, when processes are understandable, and when outcomes are guided by reason rather than bias. It is experienced in every interaction that affirms to the public that justice is not only done, but done fairly. It is reflected in the humanity of our judicial officers, who listen carefully, communicate clearly, and approach each matter with both rigor and compassion. It is reflected in the dedication of our court staff, whose daily work ensures that our system remains accessible, neutral, and responsive. And more importantly, it is reflected in you, attorneys and advocates, whose professionalism and commitment shape the public's trust in our legal system. Our responsibility collectively is to ensure the law is not only authoritative, but accessible, not only consistent, but understandable, not only enforced, but trusted. Every effort to open our courts through innovation, outreach, and transparency strengthens the bond between the public and the institutions that serve them. Because trust is not granted automatically. It is earned case by case, interaction by interaction, day by day. And in recent years, we have seen how fragile that trust can be. Misinformation, unwarranted attacks on judges and lawyers, and rhetoric aimed at delegitimizing our institutions pose real challenges. These are not merely disagreements with outcomes. They are attempts to weaken confidence in the very framework that ensures fairness and accountability. In the face of these challenges, our charge is clear. We must remain steadfast. We must lead through example, through our professionalism, our integrity, and our unwavering commitment to the principles that define our system. We must support one another, speak with clarity and conviction, and stand united in defense of the rule of law. The work you do matters deeply, whether advising a client, advocating in court, or rendering judgment from the bench. Each act contributes to something larger than any single case. Together, these efforts sustain a system that aspires to fairness, demands accountability, and serves as a cornerstone of our democracy. The rule of law endures, not because it is self-executing, but because people just like you choose every day to uphold it. Thank you.